Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of CVS, and CVS may be just a tad bit slow this week. If you're not the biggest fan of CVS or don't go couponing here this week, if you don't have to go, this might be a great week to skip, or next 2 weeks depending on what coupons we get next week, unless your store has gift sets, and we'll go over that in store because there's a phenomenal savings on them. But I think that's all I got. Yeah, without further ado, let's head inside. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see what kind of deals we got. Honest baby wipes are on promotion. Buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $5 in extra bucks. So the best way to do this deal is to grab these at $5.79. At least this is the best one my store has. Your store may have cheaper ones, or you may need these bigger packs. But you'll grab one at full price, one at 50% off, and if you're grabbing two of the $5.79 price ones, your total will be $8.68. There's no coupons, so you'll pay that at the register, but you'll get the $5 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $3.68 for both. Right now, is more expensive Crest products are on promotion. Spend $15, get $7 in extra bucks, and they're $10.79 at my store. So you're going to grab one of the gum products. Then you're going to come grab one of the 3D products. So if you were to grab both of these products, your total will be $21.58. We have a $5 digital coupon for the gum and a $5 digital coupon for the 3D product. So that means you'll be left to pay $11.58 at the register. We'll get the $7 in extra bucks for spending $15, making them $4.58 for both products. Another super easy deal is on the Crest or Scope products. They are on promotion. Buy two, get $5 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $4.99. So you'll grab a total of two of them for $7.98. We have a $1 digital coupon for the toothpaste and a $1 digital coupon for the Scope, plus Coupons 24 has a $1 coupon for each as well. So no matter what two you grab, there's a $2 in digital coupons to come off, so you'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register. We'll get the $5 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $2.98 for both. Now, if you have a spend $35 on Crest and Scope, here's the scenario that you can do. These six products, these two deals, will total you $41.54. So we're well over that $35. We have $10 in coupons for the more expensive ones, and a total of $4 in digital coupons for the Crest and Scope, plus the 7 off of 35. So that means you'll be left to pay $20.54 at the register. We'll get the $7 in extra bucks for spending $15, and then buying two and buying two. The limit on this deal is twice, so we'll get a total of $10 in extra bucks. So for everything, it'll be just $3.54. Easy savings on hair appliances if you need a brand new one. So the cheaper options, so Revlon, or buy one and you'll get $10 in extra bucks for buying one. And then, or if you need like a Conair or more expensive Revlon, or either of these, you'll get $15 in extra bucks. There's tons of different ones included, even this super expensive looking hairbrush, so you can grab the ones that you need and save some money so you don't have to pay full price on a new one. So there's really good deals that are for buy one get one free. One of them that I knew my store would be out of already is the Old Spice body spray. My store, I think, only carries two different sprays. Yeah, two different sprays. They're both already out of stock, but we have $2 on Ibotta on each one, so grabbing two of them at buy one get one free will be $8.29 for both, plus $4 on Ibotta, making them $4.29 for both, which is pretty decent. Another super easy way to save on Old Spice is to grab the buy one get one free, or buy one get one 50% off products. So the cheapest one at my store is this Old Spice Classic. It is $5.59. One at full price, one at 50% off will be $8.38. And we have a $4 Ibotta offer for this, making it $4.38 for both. So if you want to grab these deals and use the 6 off of 3 digital coupon, if you haven't used it yet, you can. There's great savings on it. So you grab two of the sprays at $8.29, two of these classic sticks at $5.59. So your total will be $16.67 because one is free and one is 50% off. You see that a $6 off with 3 digital coupons, so you'll pay $10.67. And remember, we're getting $4 from Ibotta when buying 2 for this one, and then $2 on each of the spray. So make all 4 products just $2.67 if your store has them. If your store doesn't carry any of the raw sugar gift sets, this is probably the next best deal. Raw sugar products are buy one get one free on the body wash, so you can grab either the sugar scrubs or even the large pump ones are buy one get one free. So you can grab the ones you like, including the bar soaps. Super amazing savings on Olay. So you're going to look for the Olay cleansing melts. This is the 12 count. It is $5.49 at my store. It's attaching to a $5 CRT, making it just 49 cents. Now, if your store doesn't carry this or is out of stock, another great option is these Olay makeup remover wipes. These are $6.49. Or you can grab some of these face washes instead. This is also $6.49. I think that's the other cheapest option my store has. Alright, let me tell you that these are such a great Christmas gift. Or if you like I really like these. I like how small and cute they are. But I prefer the cocoa butter one. They are on promotion. Buy 2, get $3 in extra bucks, and they're $3.79 at my store. Grabbing 2 will be $7.58. We'll have to pay that at the register, but you'll get the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2. Make them $4.58 for both. Super easy savings on Palmolive dish soap. They are buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2, get $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off, because they're $4.39 at my store, will be $6.58. With a $1.50 digital coupon, you'll be left to pay $5.08 at the register. Get the $2 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $3.08 for both. We have really good savings on trash bags and different total home products. So if you like this brand or need some trash bags, I personally have grabbed like the kitchen ones, and they're actually pretty decent. So they are buy one get one free, and you can grab the storage baggies if you prefer. But if you're grabbing the trash bags, they are attaching to a 4 off of 20 total home paper product, which is weird, but it is attaching. So you'll have to grab $20 worth. So depending on what you need and what your store prices are, you can grab like 4 of these $10.79 ones, or one of these large $18.99, and then maybe one of these or 2 of those, and then 2 of the $4.69 ones, just depending on what you need and what your store prices are. Alright guys, let's put together the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks. So the first couple of products I'm going to talk about, my store doesn't have them yet. I don't know if they will. I don't think they got gift sets last year, but it's on gift sets. So you can grab, there's the Old Spice gift sets. We also have Ibotta rebates. I think it's still there. It was there yesterday for $7.50 when buying 2. And the raw sugar is buy one get one 50% off on those gift sets, which I think is really good savings already on top of it, plus part of the spend 30. So those are the 2 options, like the gift sets. My store just doesn't stock. But some products that you can grab are the Tide Pods that are $5.49. We have a $1 digital coupon or Coupons 24 app. You can grab the Charmin Essentials that are $9.99 with a $1 digital coupon. You can grab this 6 equals 12 Bounty paper towel for $12.99 with a $2 digital coupon. We also have the Dawn Power Wash that's on sale for $5.99 with a $2 digital coupon. There are more options, but these are just the best ones. So this is how I'm going to be doing the deal. I'm going to grab a Dawn Power Wash, 2 Tide Pods, and then the 6 equals 12 Bounty. I wasn't going to do this way, but I can hardly get paper towel lately, so plus how is this paper towel originally $21.79? Like, I don't understand. Grabbing these 4 products will be $29.96. Your store has to follow the 98% rule in order to do it this way. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Bounty, $2 digital coupon for the Dawn, a $1 digital coupon on the CVS app for the Tide Pods, and a $1 digital coupon on Coupons24 app for the Tide Pods. So we'll be left to pay $23.96. Look at the $10 in extra bucks for buying or spending the $30. Make them $13.96 for all four. So I want to show off this deal because it is hot. There's so many options this week that I feel like this is one of the better deals. So spend $100 on participating gift cards. Yes, I know that's a lot of money out of pocket, but you get $20 in extra bucks to use any other time. But this week there's so many to choose from, so I'm just going to name off some of my favorites. We have this Olive Garden one, or Cabela's. Best Buy is included, so if you're going to shop Black Friday at Best Buy, grab a gift card. Or Bath and Body Works. I think Candle Day is coming up. I don't buy candles, but I think that's coming up. Sephora is coming up, or is on that. What else we got? We got tons of different food ones. Olive Garden, some Golf Now thing. We even have Southwest if you fly Southwest, Dairy Queen, Taco Bell, Chipotle, Jersey Mike's, Domino's Cheesecake Factory, or if you're like me and like to order out, DoorDash, Uber, Instacart, save on your Netflix subscription, put on a gift card. There's just so many different gift cards to choose from. You can mix and match. You don't have to spend $100 on that same gift card too. I've done just 2 different gift cards, so $50 on each one. So I'm sure you could probably do more. We also have tons of different food options for buy one get one free. So like Pop-Tarts, buy one get one free. Tons of different choices. We also have some cereal that are included for buy one get one free. There's some Rice Krispie treats that are buy one get one free. Or if you like the Oreos, buy one get one free, or the Chips Ahoy if your store has them, which my store does. This is really good savings, and you can try the new Reese's Oreo cookies. I haven't tried them yet, so I don't know how good they are. All right, guys, we're back in from checkout. I did not grab the gift card deal right now. I want to go home and see what kind of gift cards I have and make a decent decision, because I'm sure the ad next week is going to be the same, so the gift card deal might be going to be the same if the ad is the same. They have the Zillions gift cards as part of that promotion, and they offer Amazon through the Zillions on at least one of the gift cards, so I might do that and then just kind of decide. I just can't remember what I have at home right now, so I want to make the best choice, because it's most likely going to be used as a Christmas gift, or if I grab Amazon, I'll be buying Christmas gifts with it. So I held on that, but besides that, I grabbed the Spend 30 plus the Olay facial care. So as you can see, that's what I grabbed. Yes. And then for digital coupons, the first one is for the Tide Pods from the Coupons24 app. Then we have the $2 for the Bounties, $2 for the Dawn, and then a $1 digital coupon for the Last Tide, and then the $5 for the Olay, plus tons of register rewards. So I used $19.18 worth of, did I say register rewards or extra bucks? I don't remember. I'm a little tired. I worked 13 hours last night, so I'm a little tired. So extra bucks if I said register rewards. So my subtotal that I swiped my card for was $5.27, which for paper towels alone is well enough of a good deal. But anyway, guys, I hope you can grab some phenomenal deals. Definitely check out the gift card deal this week. Like I said, I haven't seen this many different options in quite some time, so this might be a great time to grab a couple different gift cards for like Christmas, holiday, or treat yourself. But thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.